He mocks proud mockers, but shows favor to the humble and oppressed. In James 4 verse 6 refers to this part as well, and it says he gives us more grace. Why? So that we can get to know him. But then he refers to Proverbs. He said, God opposes the proud, but shows favor to the humble. We are so proud about what we know and what we want to do that we refuse to humble ourselves before God. It's my program, my time. And like with Athanasius, the world comes and they want to change the truth. And Athanasius said to them, if you don't disagree with or don't agree with the truth, then I'm against you. He said this, if the world is against the truth, then I am against the world. The question is, where are you? Faith stands against willful pride. Lord, not my way, but your way. Not my program, not my ideas, but your ideas. If he's really first in my life, how much time do I devote to him versus the time that I work, the time with my family, my phone, my television? Faith stands against willful pride. It also stands against the celebration of sin. We live in a culture now where sin is not only committed, but it's actually celebrated. And we see that everywhere in the world. What happened in Daniel 5 was not a hidden sin, but a public celebration of sin.